BCE stock analysis. Am I buying or am I not? This is for Friday. Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. So in short, I'm very open for what? BCE has been correcting itself and then started to kind of pick up, which is interesting. Now context, I've gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentors, documented everything. And just looking at BCE, yeah, this is where we are. Like, it's not looking good, honestly. But this could be like a thought of something huge, because I've already started seeing kind of one break, but nah, my bad, it's not a one break. The real range is coming back down from 26 bucks. So the real break would only count the moment the price starts breaking above 27. So yeah, like in this case, what I'm going to do is just keep you updated and only be bullish if the price starts breaking above those highs. Am I going to short in the meantime? Not necessarily, but if there's a great opportunity here, why not? You know, always just say why not. But like, if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It is a free newsletter.